So I haven't done this in a while, and I'm a little rusty, so bear with me there. But today I'll be making a physics-based highway driving game in 3 hours, hopefully. But what physics-based means is we'll be using a rigid body instead of a kinematic body. I know I've had some trouble with rigid bodies in the past, but these past few weeks I've been kind of working on a getting over it clone, and it took a while for me to figure out, but I think I have a grasp on how rigid bodies work properly, so I think I can apply it here. So let's get into it. Let's start up the 3-hour timer. Let's see how far we get. I mean, not how far we get. I'm gonna finish this game, but let's see how good this game is in the end. So let's go. So we're gonna start out with making some sprites for the car. First of all, I didn't think about this. So our car is gonna be over here, and it's gonna be on it pretty small, so over here maybe. So we could see this size. What size is this? 8 by 8, 24. So maybe 32 by 16. I should already stressing. Pressed the wrong thing. 32 by 16. No, not 16. That is so 24, 32 by 24, and then background is going to be this color with maybe, no, sorry, ground, no, our asphalt is going to be this color, and the background is going to be this color, and then maybe asphalt this color, no, this color. So our car is going to be, kind of want it to stand out a little bit, no, nope. So we can fine tune this. Rigid bodies, we actually have 3 different ways we can do process, as opposed to 2, because we can do integrate forces, which allows us to access the properties of the rigid body directly, so we can access its position and stuff and change it. From interpolate forces, we can't really do that from physics process or process, but from physics process we can apply forces to the body. So unless we need to change the position of the player directly from interpolate forces, which I don't think we need to do, we can just go with physics process. So I'm gonna add our inputs. I should probably include all of this and send my starter projects. I mean, it's pretty competitive, right? So maybe I'll actually work on my starter projects instead of working on games. But if we want to rotate the car, we don't want to rotate it in place. We want to rotate it as it's moving along. Our added force is our acceleration. So I'll do acceleration. Yikes, I drew the car up instead of sideways. It should be sideways. Okay, so we're gonna have to merge down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Acceleration equals vector 2 100 0. Is it too much force? I have no idea. Just to know. Right. Here's just looks like the screen is huge, which it's not. What is the gravity? Gravity scales. That's what dampening does, I forgot. Slow down the car. I think it does. Decrease this. Thanks. Interesting. So we don't have any counteracting force, which is why this goes so freaking ridiculous up. Top speed. So we want top speed. So here I go on a bit of a tangent, forgetting that by adding central force I'm actually adding acceleration, not speed. And that's not what I want. What I want is really just to set the central force once the button is pressed, and then set it to 0 once the button is released. I do that eventually, but for now I'm still a bit lost. So we're going to calculate by how much we actually accelerate depending on the acceleration and the top speed, and once our top speed is reaching this number, the acceleration will go down to 0. So how do we do that? Once the speed reaches 200, and we want to subtract that from our acceleration. Why am I feel like I'm overthinking this. Alright. Still do calculate acceleration, because we need to apply central force depending on our central force, depending on our rotation angle. How do I rotate? Vector Godot. The same thing, right? 3D, 2D, doesn't matter. Rotate it. Turn. Acceleration. Rotate it. Rotation. Less than top speed. Return. Else. Red pixel. Should be fine, right? Literally dumb. 70 going past 100. Okay. Else. Add central force. Negative applied force times 0.1. And here I'm still trying to decrease the speed, while not realizing that I'm actually decreasing acceleration. It literally feels like it's slowing down, but it's not. Why does it feel like it's slowing down? Is it slowing down? What? I'm literally so. Print. Oh. This is me being dumb. Apply force equals vector. This little rage quit still counts within 3 hours. So we're adding acceleration, not actually adding this. Acceleration, rotated, rotation. And we want to set applied force, we don't want to add central force. Set applied force. Applied force equals vector 2, 0. Right? Now we can set this to 50, maybe. Oh. Print linear velocity. Oh, look at our velocity. We wanted to slow down faster. I think we wanted to slow down faster and wanted to. How does this friction thing even work? Wait, what? Why is it going ridiculously fast now? Okay, maybe it's linear dampening. Is it being dumped the entire time? Nope, it doesn't seem to be linear dampening. We just bring down the acceleration. It's good enough. That is good enough. I have no idea what I did, but with I'll drop down friction to 100. So I don't think it actually affects anything. I mean, maybe it affects when you actually collide with shit, but doesn't seem to matter over here at all. So now we want to add turning. Which is going to be more complicated, but whatever. Going to be going 10 speed, not 105, not too much. I think times linear velocity. Around 4 times linear velocity clamp. 0 and negative turn speed. Sorry, negative turn speed. And 0. It's not an angle, this is just torque. So let's see. You get a turn? No? Okay. Still no? Why? Triple R times linear velocity length. Oh. Oh. Should go. Ooh. We're so freaking floaty. Buoyant, please. Godot. Buoyant. Int minus int. And then apply torque is turn times turn multiplier. Let's see. No. Is there any of these have anchor dampening? Please? Please. Oh, that's what dampening does. Oh, look, it stopped. So this is gonna be officially a flying car game. 'Cause yeah. Oh god, it turns so freaking fast. Turn speed. Let's make a road. I4, which is 192 to 448. Let's see. Actually, I don't need to calculate. Just 256. Oh damn. I didn't realize it would be like continuous. That's super cool. Let's attach a camera 2D. I don't think we're gonna take the camera back like we usually do in racing games once you accelerate. I have no problem with it, absolutely, because I rotate my pixel art already, so it doesn't matter. But I'm pretty sure it will look like way too bad. If you zoom, there you go, words are hard. If you zoom the camera out, the pixel art will look just terrible. Huh. Damn, that's really jumpy. So the lanes keep flashing in the recording for some reason. It didn't happen on the actual screen, so I don't know. Might want to switch up our lanes a little bit, eh? Limit. Left 0. Road. Let us add a static. Can a static body have 2 collision shapes? Nice. Add cars. We need to spawn the road once Blerick hits certain thresholds, and we need to add an area 2D, which will trigger the end of the game. Spawn the road. So player reaches over here. Player position is -8. And if player position is -8 and spawn. Am I dumb? Or stupid? Or dumb, huh? Right, so now technically we should never reach the end of this road. Literally. And I think we're gonna need to set the frame. Yeah, we do need to set the frame. Road animated sprite frame. That should be good. Like, why you get so jumpy though? What happened? Now player, let's go. It's literally dependent on the rotation. I hate it. I absolutely freaking hate it. Hey, whatever, no time. Return car plus load the car, sure, and then instance plus car instance. So we have our four different 304, 336, 36, randomize, and linear velocity will be vector 2, 0, 0, and negative 100? It's fine. Spawns randi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Position 1 equals where position minus spawn distance minus spawn distance minus 500. Swear to God, you're moving in the opposite direction. Why are you moving in the opposite direction? Oh. No. It's freaking gravity. At least I figured that one out fast. 24 minutes. 24 minutes. Distance remaining. Time is equals delta. Distance. Finish. Line. It's negative 49, 680. Please? Where? Canvas where? Canvas where done. Oh, you please work. Thank you. And then I wanna not much time. Stepify. Oh no, it's because I'm doing the wrong flare X. Flare position. Your previous time equals 0. Your first time equals 0. If distance is 0, 0, colon, previous time equals 1, global previous time equals to 0, previous time, best time, previous time, best time text, best time, best time. Let's go. Let's go. Please spawn one car. Thanks. Thank you. Come on. Oh no. Wait, what about you fought? Alright, so technically oh god, please accelerate. Alright, now last bit I wanna finish up 9. Wait. Yes. And this. Alright. It's something. It's something.